What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be trying out the October box from Eyescream Beauty. I'm so excited for this box. So this box was curated for Breast Cancer Awareness Month and I absolutely love it. And if you did purchase this box, a portion of the proceeds will go to Breast Cancer Research Foundation, which I absolutely love. All of the items in the box were specially made for breast cancer awareness, except for the ZC product. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. I'm going to start off with Moon Slice Beauty. I love that it comes with a little card, so cute. So this is a liquid blush and it retails for $19. Absolutely so pretty. I love these types of brushes. It comes with a big dofa applicator and I'm just going to do a couple little dots because I have no idea how pigmented this is at all. And I'm just going to blend it out with a brush. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty. Just blending it out with my brush. Wow, a little of this goes a long way. And it blends, melts right into the skin. Beautiful formula. It's not picking up the foundation underneath, which I love. I'm just going to try one dot on this side and see how it blends out because I did two on the other. But I feel like one will probably be plenty because, again, a little of this goes such a long way. Yeah. So this is 2 and this is 1. It's a little lighter in application, but I am going to just go ahead and add a little just to get it to match. And then I will fix this with my concealer and make everything blend in, but beautiful. A little on the nose. Isn't that just like the prettiest shade of pink? I love that. Just gonna go in with a little concealer. This eye of mine keeps watering, so I'm just hoping that it doesn't mess up my makeup today. But so much better once you add the concealer and blend it down into the blush. It just makes everything look a little more seamless. And then go ahead and set. I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow in the shade Pink. And that just looks so pretty. Okay, so next up I'm going to go ahead and try out this lip plumping gloss so that way we can see how it plumps the lips throughout the video. But it did come with a little caution note saying that this is a pretty intense plumper. This is in the shade Cake, which it's just a pH changing. Look at the packaging. Love the packaging. It looks like it has little flakes of glitter. Oh, it smells like cake. Oh, yeah, that smells good. It smells like a vanilla cake. I love that. I love a good lip plumper, so I'm excited for this. Line in the lips. I don't know what the eyeshadow palette looks like yet because it is sealed up and I haven't opened it. Just using a brown lip liner for now. And I am layering this on quite a bit. I'm already feeling the tingle. Gives a really pretty shine to the lips. A nice pink color. I do like that and matches the blush really well. So while I'm letting that do its thing, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my powders. The lip gloss retails for $17 and I can definitely feel it. It is doing its thing. This one is a little more intense, but if you're used to like the Too Faced lip plumpers, that's about what this one is like. It is a really nice, you can feel it working lip plumper, so I like that. I don't like the ones that are like too mild and you really can't feel them. Okay, so next up we got the ZC liquid eyeshadow. This retails for $24. Ooh, look at how pretty. Let's do it. Oh, what is this, like a liner? This is like a liner. Okay, that's pretty cool. I thought it was going to be more of your like liquid shadow with the dofa applicator, but it has like the little eyeliner applicator, which is nice. I like that. I like that it's an eyeliner, not an eyeshadow. I feel like we got enough eyeshadow in this box. We got Chantico or Chantico, however you pronounce this. I always say Chantico Beauty. This is a pink duochrome and this retails for $20 and I absolutely love Chantico. I think they are so good. The quality of them is amazing. These are really nice and light. They don't have a ton of pigment to them, but they would be really nice for eyeshadow toppers. That seems to be like the in thing right now. Everybody's coming out with more eyeshadow toppers and it's not as pigmented. So I'm excited for that. And then last but not least, we got the Hope and Bloom eyeshadow palette. This is by Beauty Moon Cosmetics and Ice Cream Beauty. This one retails for $35. I love that it's nice and sealed up. I have not got to see this in person yet, so I'm excited. Ooh, yes. This is why I got this box, because I love all of the pink shades in here. Look at that palette. Isn't that so pretty? Okay, so I'm going to start off in the palette, and I'm going to use the shade Comfort right here first. And I'm going to put that in my crease, and I'm just going to work it up to the brow. Really wish my eye would stop watering today. I got my box in a few days ago, but I've been having like such an issue with my eye watering all day that it's been like impossible to sit down and film. So I'm just hoping that that doesn't mess up my eyeshadow. Because usually, I don't know for what reason, but when my eye waters, it like travels up onto my lid. How does water travel up? I have no idea, but I guess when I blink, it does. And it makes my makeup so patchy. It's so frustrating. I really love this clarity shade. Look at how pretty and pink that one is. That is beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the shade Chance with my finger, and I'm just going to put that on the inner part of the lid. Ooh, look at how beautiful that is. I love that. Super smooth on the lid. Very sparkly, which I love the sparkles. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the shade Clarity with my finger. And I'm going to put that in the center just to add in a little brighter pink. Ooh, I mean, wow. Stunning. And then on the outer corner, I'm going to go into the darkest shade, which is called Warrior. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner. And hope my eye doesn't mess up because it's watering. Just going to build this color up on the outer corner. This is a really pretty matte shade. I love pink eyeshadows. I think they are so pretty. These shadows are blending like a dream. Just want to build this color up a little more. So for the brow bone and the inner corner, I'm going to go into the little Chantico palette. And I'm just going to pick up that white shade and use that for the inner corner and the brow bone. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty. Going back in with the very first brush and just blending everything out. Going in the waterline with a black eyeliner. Then going in on the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is called Loved. And I'm going to use that on the lower lash line. Add a little mascara. I totally forgot to use the ZC eyeliner, so I'm going to try to use it now that I already have my mascara on. Not sure that it's really going to show up anyway, being that I did an all pink look. I mean, it's really just adding some more glitter on top of the glittery eyeshadow, but this would be really pretty with a neutral look so you could actually see it. But wow, actually, can you kind of see that? I think you can. That looks actually pretty good. I do like that a lot. And it's coming out nice and smooth, so I do love that about it. My eye is watering and making my mascara run everywhere. Dang it. Now I'm going to add on a little bit of setting spray. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look using the October box from Ice Cream Beauty. I love how this look turned out. I really like this eyeliner. I think it's super pretty. It added just a little bit of pink glitter, and honestly, I was surprised that you can still see it on top of this eye look, but you can still see it, so that's amazing. Of course, I absolutely love the little Chantico Duo eyeshadow palette. This is so cute. Love their formula. It is amazing. Also, love the little breast cancer awareness ribbon they have on there. Super cute. Details are so nice. Awesome blush. This blush is absolutely beautiful. Blended out. You really only need like one little dip of it because a little bit goes a long way, so I do love that about it. The lip gloss, I don't know how much it really plumped my lips. Lip plumpers are really just kind of made to smooth out your lips. And I would say that this did smooth out my lips. It makes them feel a little fuller. The color's really pretty. Everything in this box coordinates so well. Absolutely love the eyeshadow palette. This is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. So if you didn't get a chance to pick up this box yet and you're thinking about it, I'm going to have everything listed down in the description box. This box will be available until November the 1st or sold out. So you still have a few more days to pick it up if you're wanting it. But as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!